आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So the question is Q is equal to 1 by 2 nv square. So the dynamic pressure Q generated by fluid moving with velocity v can be found using the formula above, where n is the constant density of the fluid. An aeronautical engineer uses the formula to find the dynamic pressure of a fluid moving with velocity v and the same fluid moving with velocity 1.5 v. Then what is the ratio of the dynamic pressure of the faster fluid to the dynamic pressure of the slower fluid? Okay, so basically one fluid is moving with velocity v and the other fluid is moving with velocity 1.5 v, where n is a constant and q denotes the dynamic pressure. Now we need to find the ratio of the dynamic pressure of the faster fluid to the slower fluid. Okay, so guys, first let me write the equation here. So the equation is q is equal to half of nv square. Now q1, let us say this is the faster fluid, so its velocity is suppose it's so the speed of velocity of the faster fluid will be 1.5 v, because obviously v is great 1.5 v is greater than v, so it will be 1 by 2 into n into 1.5 v whole square. So this is the pressure of this is the dynamic pressure for the faster fluid. Okay, now let us say that q2 is the dynamic pressure for the slower fluid, so it will be simply half of n of v square, because the velocity is simply v. Okay, now we know this is the dynamic pressure, so we'll just simply divide them to find the ratio between them. Okay, so q1 upon q2 will be the basically the dynamic pressure. One will be for the q1 will be for faster fluid, and again the same, the q2 will be the dynamic pressure for the slower one. Okay, so I will just put the values of q1 and q2 which I calculated over here. Okay, so it will be half of n of 1.5 v square, or 1.5 square will be, guys, 2.25 into v square divided by simply half of n of v square. Now guys, half gets cancelled, n also gets cancelled, and v square also gets cancelled, so we are left out with 2.25 is to 1. Okay, or if I convert it into some fractions, okay, let me see. So it will be 2.25 divided by 1, so it will just cancel. If there will be 100, so it will be more cancellation it will give, so it comes out to be 9 by 4. So the ratio of q1 is to q1 is to q2 will come out to be 9 is to 4. Okay, so basically you just put the value of v as the for the faster fluid and 1.5 v, and the for the smaller it will be just v, and just divide them, you will get the ratio as 9 is to 4. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Thank you very much.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।